Number 6. The diagram shows a section through a mesophyll cell of a leaf. Which part is partially permeable? So partially permeable, as we've already talked about this, the thing that is partially permeable in the cell is called the membrane. So you just have to identify the membrane here, and students often get confused about this. And A is it's actually pointing at the outer part of the cell wall, such outer part, and B is the membrane. Okay. So membrane is actually, it's attached to the cell wall, or is placed very close to the cell wall. So B is the answer for this one. Okay, don't get confused. Okay.